Yesterday was a really interesting day. Adoma's results were excellent. Together with Gaetan Martinez, we completed both speed stages without any mistakes, and both finished in the lead position within 1 second of each other. Today is the second day of the Balkan Offroad Rally. Participants will ride 280 kilometers, of which about 250 will be speed sections. There are many speed limits marked in the roadbook today, so it's important to follow them to avoid penalties. After a rainy night, it can be difficult to drive normally. Slippery road surfaces are very dangerous, so participants may have to race at safe speed.
So in the morning hit us fog, so it was very difficult to drive because you need to clean, I don't know, every 10 or 20 seconds your glasses. I talked with other riders, they drive without glass. I can't do that because I'm a little bit sick. I need to take care of myself. But overall I'm really happy about the first stage, and the second stage was really nice. The grip was amazing with the ATP tires, and it was a very beautiful, but all day long I fight with the Polaris, so it was a really hard day.
Today was very slippery because all night was rainy, but everything is okay. The tires work well. Today I'm catch up maybe 2 ATVs in front of me, so I win maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Everything is okay, so going to the next stage and we will see the overall finish.
The second stage of today was really fast. I'm really glad that I made it without any issues. It was extremely fast. I'm glad that I have a really good time today. With that speed which I used to drive this special stage, you can't go on rally because it's a really big risk. But I had my target to catch a few other drivers, and they made that mission. Other guys is extremely fast in that condition. I hope tomorrow we will have more difficult navigation.
So the second special stage of second day of Balkan Rally was very fast, without navigation tricks, just full throttle and full power. I had only one stopped by navigation because I need to calibrate the tripmaster, but everything is okay. I reached the finish, so I catch the French guy Martinez. We reached the finish together and going to the next day.
Tomorrow we will go to the new bivouac, to other city. So tomorrow we will have a really long day. So see you there.